How to buy hosting from Hostinger with an amazing superb discount. So now to buy hosting from Hostinger with a special coupon code discount, what you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click an exclusive buy now link, you will be entitled to a page like this where you can buy different plans of Hostinger. But before you buy and get amazing discount, I want to tell you about amazing features of Hostinger, such as look around for the amazing feature reviews on different websites. And this was one of the reasons, which is why I bought hosting from Hostinger. Now to buy, they offer you three most popular plan: premium, business, and cloud startup. But in case if you're looking to buy other plan, you can simply select hosting and select other plans to buy from Hostinger. And now there are few features which may compel you to buy hosting from Hostinger, such as they provide amazing fast storage, unlimited bandwidth, SSL certificate, free CDN, free domain, daily or weekly backup option, manage WordPress with free automatic website migration in case if you're coming from the hosting company, one click WordPress installation, amazing free templates. Hosting their website builder is a great add-on to buy on. And then you're getting amazing security features plus 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, 24/7 support. And that they also provide maximized website speed. And in case if you finally plan to buy hosting from Hostinger, they have currently more than 2 million people which are already using hosting from Hostinger. And they also provide you free migration in case if you plan to buy. They will move your website from your old hosting company free of cost. Now to buy hosting from Hostinger with a special exclusive discount, simply select any plan. You know that these coupon code gonna work with any plan. You can simply select hosting, and you can buy other plans as well. But if you ask me, I recommend you to buy the premium or business plan, which has almost everything. Simply select the add to cart with this plan to buy. Once you select the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page where you can use this coupon code to buy hosting from Hostinger. Now select your billing period. Hostinger offer various billing periods. You can select any according to your preference. Once you select your billing period, scroll below, write your email ID over here or synchronize with the Google account. Then select your payment method to buy. Hostinger offer various payment methods to buy. So you can select any according to your preference. Now you can see over here if you can see over here that the price is already discounted because you have clicked on a special buy now discount link in the description. Simply select the have a coupon code and write this coupon code to buy. You know that your price will get a further discount on an already discounted price. Simply select the apply button and you can see that the price got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well which you can use to buy hosting from Hostinger, that is the name of HI10. Simply select the apply with this one as well and you can see that the price got a further discount. So if you are looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then make sure to use this coupon code to buy hosting from Hostinger and enjoy your special discount. If I have been using Hostinger from the last 2 years and my experience so far is amazingly genuinely good for my own blog and other websites as well. So definitely I recommend you guys to buy hosting from Hostinger. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Plus use either of these coupon codes to get an amazing discount with Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting with Hostinger. Good luck.